Hey everybody, just want to go over the ICT Silver Bullet hour for the London session. So this dark shaded area is the 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. and I want to show you what's going on here and how you could have read price using the PD arrays. So I'm going to leave this blank for now for a second, let you look at it. If you like the videos, please hit the like button, comment if you'd like to have me do other videos on other things or if you have questions. And subscribe to the channel for more videos. When we start this hour right here, we see that we take out a short-term low. Price comes down, takes this short-term low out, then it goes up, takes out this short-term high. Price comes back down, takes out this short-term low and this short-term low, so let's just mark one of those out. Price comes up and takes out this short-term high. Okay, so now price is coming back down to takes out this short-term low. Alright, so when we start seeing this choppiness, what is that? That's seek and destroy right there. That's what this is right here, seek and destroy. And when I start seeing this, before this starts, I'm not taking the first fair value gap entry. I need more confirmation. Okay, been in this too long to see this type of scenarios playing out, get whipsawed, and losing too much money doing it in the past. So when I start seeing this back and forth price action, I'm getting very particular and I need more confirmation than just a first fair value gap with displacement. So when we come back here, down here, it takes out this high. Now we're looking for it to come down here, takes out the short-term low, and then since we're doing this seek and destroy, we're expecting it to come back up, take out this high, right? So to do that, we got to see what we're going to come through. Looking back, I see that we have an order block here. This is an order block. I see that we have a fair value gap right below that. And then I see we have a volume imbalance. So as we're coming down here and takes this out, I'm looking back and I'm seeing that these three things these three PD arrays are to go back up here. We have to come at least through all of this right now. So when price comes down and then it comes up and it stops dead on the tracks right at that volume imbalance, that's my first clue that this volume imbalance is holding. And price starts and it comes up, fills that in and comes back down and leaves and then stops there. This is your entry right here. You could take a short right there. Above this PD array, which is the fair value gap, that's where I would have put my stop. It's a two-handle stop. And where are you targeting? You're drawing liquidity. Let me just move this over here. Is this low right here is your furthest down, and it's right on one of these 423 of the new week opening gap lines, and so it's right down the middle of these lines. It's the middle one in between these two. That's a 7 3/4 handle move, right? We only need 5, so 5 is right here. Doesn't even take out this low, so that's an easy target right there. But our target was here. That's what we get. Okay, so if you didn't take this entry, this is the entry that a lot of people would have taken because they're looking for fair value gaps or volume imbalances to take a trade. For me, I would want to have more confirmation than this, but I wanted to show you that that's an option. Okay, so what else? If I was going to dissect this more, how do we dissect this price action? Well, this right here is an order block. That blue, okay. So I'm going to take this short position off just so you can see this better. There's a order block, okay. This candle right here goes in the middle, a little bit above, but stops in the middle of this order block up to the volume imbalance, okay. So you got two PD arrays really holding price right here, okay. Well, then what does it make this candle? Well, that makes that a propulsion block because it trades into the previous order block, and then when price leaves it, which is this blue candle right here, I'm going to zoom in here so you can really see this. I want you to really see this. When this order block, okay, gets traded into with another up close candle, not violates it, doesn't go past it, stops in the middle, near the middle, okay. When that's now another order block, okay? When it gets traded through, which is in this blue candle right here, and it trades above, we expect this to be a propulsion candle now to hold price and to propel price further down. What happens? trades up and stops right on the tick of that propulsion block. And then where does price start the very next candle? One tick below. And then skyrockets down with intensity. There's a volume imbalance here. There's another volume imbalance here. Price is just propelled down. That's why it's a propulsion block. Okay? So when you're analyzing price, you need to be looking back and seeing these things and marking this on your charts, because then you can really see, wow, that's how that played out. So where was your position then? Well, you could have put one, realizing this is a propulsion block as it's trading here, and it's trading down and stops here. Now you're looking for the next candle to hopefully leave it, and it does. It starts here. It starts here, and then it trades up into it. Might set your limit order right there. Go above the order block, or the order block and the volume imbalance by a tick or two. And what do you have? Now you have propulsion block, a volume imbalance, and an order block, 3 PD arrays all holding price down on your trade. If it goes against you, you're going to lose 2 handles and you're out of the trade. But you've got 3 PD arrays holding price down. I think that's a really good trade. I think this is better than the first one. Okay, so you get, 3.25 R on it. You get 6.5 handles. So between both of these trades, you did really well. That's your London Silver Bullet for May 26th.